What do you think about this?
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire, coming to you live from EPHQ, downtown Minneapolis. And I am here with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and sometimes a little bit weird. Today's topic is connecting emotions with melodies, and how do those melodies affect your emotions? I don't know. What do you think? When was the last time you listened to a really amazing song and that particular song was just like, oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. And it made the hair on the back of your neck stand up. You got goose pimples, as Mr. Bean would say. When was the last time that happened to you? Does it happen to you? I know it happens to me. But for me, I'm a bit of an empath, so I tend to pick up on emotion like lickety-split. I don't know what lickety-split means, but I guess it means fast. Ooh, fast. And I tend to get like all weepy and emotional whenever I'm listening to music. A lot more than I care to admit. And I was wondering if it happens to you, and if so, what do you do to trigger emotions with melodies in your work? Totally share that downstairs in the jeans zone with my Doc Martens. I wore my skinny jeans. Ooh, ooh, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. So share your comments and your thoughts downstairs in the skinny jeans zone. And I'd love to be able to see what you got to say about it. That's it. Let's wrap it up. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ downtown Minneapolis with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird for 365 days. And yeah, if you're a subscriber, congratulations. Yay! If you're not a subscriber, boo! Subscribe. Get inside the agile mind of David Esquire. And make sure you hit like and comment, share, notifications, the bell, the ding dong. I'll send a raven if I have to let you know. And until next time, remember to do what? Stay caffeinated. Aw, yeah. And I'll see you soon. I know you hate to see me leave, but you love to watch me go. Bye, guys. Ciao.